Fermented foods such as kimchi, yogurt, and kefir are among the most powerful contributors to digestive health and overall metabolic resilience, offering benefits that extend far beyond basic nutrition. These foods are rich in live probiotics, beneficial bacteria and yeasts that actively influence the gut microbiome, which in turn regulates key aspects of metabolism, immune function, and even brain health. Regular consumption of fermented foods has been associated with improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and better regulation of blood sugar levels, demonstrating that they provide functional benefits far beyond their macronutrient content. Kimchi, for example, combines probiotic-rich fermentation with fiber from vegetables and antioxidant-rich spices, while yogurt and kefir offer protein, calcium, and additional micronutrients alongside diverse microbial populations, making these foods nutrient-dense, multifunctional additions to the diet. The presence of probiotics in fermented foods has a profound effect on metabolic pathways and gut-brain signaling. The gut microbiome communicates bidirectionally with the brain via the gut-brain axis, influencing mood, appetite regulation, stress response, and even cognitive function. Probiotic bacteria from fermented foods help maintain a balanced microbiota, supporting the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, which influence emotional well-being, stress resilience, and sleep quality. By fostering a healthy gut environment, fermented foods can indirectly affect energy levels, motivation, and cognitive performance, demonstrating that their benefits are not confined to digestion alone. For individuals who follow dairy-free or low-fermentation diets, these gut-brain signaling benefits may be partially missed, potentially limiting the full spectrum of microbiome-mediated metabolic and neurological advantages. Fermented foods also play a key role in glucose regulation and insulin sensitivity. Certain strains of probiotics found in yogurt, kefir, and kimchi can modulate the activity of enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism and improve the body's ability to manage postprandial blood sugar spikes. The beneficial microbes help ferment indigestible fibers into short-chain fatty acids, such as butyrate, propionate, and acetate, which support intestinal barrier integrity, reduce systemic inflammation, and enhance insulin signaling. This means that regular intake of fermented foods may contribute to more stable glucose levels and improved metabolic efficiency, offering advantages for people at risk of insulin resistance, prediabetes, or metabolic syndrome. Without fermented foods in the diet, individuals may miss this supportive mechanism, which whole foods alone may not fully replicate. Another remarkable benefit of fermented foods is their synergy with nutrient absorption. Probiotics enhance the bioavailability of vitamins and minerals, particularly B vitamins, vitamin K2, calcium, magnesium, and trace elements, ensuring that the body gains maximum value from other foods consumed alongside them. For example, yogurt and kefir not only provide calcium and protein directly, but also facilitate more efficient absorption of these nutrients through their microbial activity. Kimchi, fermented with cabbage, garlic, and chili peppers, is similarly enriched with vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals, while its fermentation process produces bioactive compounds that support detoxification pathways and immune resilience. These synergistic effects illustrate how fermented foods amplify the nutritional impact of a diverse diet rather than simply acting as isolated nutrient sources. Fermented foods are also versatile, enjoyable, and culturally significant, which encourages consistent dietary inclusion. Kimchi can be added to stir-fries, soups, and grain bowls, providing flavor, fiber, and probiotics. Yogurt can be consumed plain, blended into smoothies, or paired with fruits, nuts, and seeds for a balanced breakfast or snack. Kefir, with its tangy flavor and drinkable form, offers a convenient way to boost microbial diversity and protein intake, particularly for people on the go. This versatility enhances adherence to nutrient-rich eating patterns and demonstrates that functional foods do not need to be limited or complicated. They can be integrated seamlessly into everyday meals to amplify health benefits. While the benefits of fermented foods are numerous, it is important to consider gradual introduction for individuals who are not accustomed to high probiotic intake, as excessive consumption may occasionally lead to mild digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas. Starting with small servings allows the gut microbiome to adapt, gradually increasing tolerance while still reaping metabolic and microbiome-enhancing benefits. Even modest daily amounts of kimchi, yogurt, or kefir can meaningfully influence microbial diversity, gut health, and metabolic function, illustrating that consistency is more important than volume for long-term advantages. In summary, fermented foods such as kimchi, yogurt, and kefir are extraordinary contributors to metabolic health, gut-brain signaling, glucose regulation, and nutrient absorption. Their probiotics help balance the gut microbiome, enhance communication between the gut and the brain, and improve postprandial glucose control, offering benefits that dairy-free or low-fermentation diets may partially miss. When incorporated consistently and thoughtfully, these foods support digestive resilience, immune function, cognitive performance, and overall metabolic efficiency. By pairing fermented foods with fiber-rich vegetables, whole grains, and proteins, individuals can create meals that are not only delicious and satisfying but also profoundly supportive of long-term health, demonstrating the immense value of including live, cultured foods in a modern, balanced diet.